All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. We're bringing back some Cobra content. We have some new taillights. We're gonna go ahead and replace these ugly old tinted ones. We have some Spec D taillights right here. So it comes with the balancer, and also we have the taillights. Obviously, I went with a little bit of a tinted. I do have some new front headlights as well. The clear, they're the dark tinted clear ones as well. So I think it'll really match up with these right here pretty much. It's really going to bring it all together in my opinion. I have my tripod right here. I'm working by myself today, so hopefully we can go ahead and get a good angle for you guys. But it's pretty simple. We have one of these on each side, and those are just, you just twist off. And then we have these four. We're going to go ahead and pop these off, these fasteners right here. Then we have four 11mm nuts right here. We're going to go ahead and take off with my deep socket and impact driver. So we should be good. Very, very simple install, I believe. So let's go ahead and knock this one out. And if you guys do not have a trim remover kit, I'm gonna go ahead and put one in the description below. This thing saves your life, honestly. Really, really easy and simple. Also, I got those taillights off Amazon as well. So pretty much everything I get is honestly off Amazon. And boom. So there we go. Now we got those things out of the way. Should be able to pull this pretty much all back and out. There we go. All right, guys, so again, it's four nuts or bolts or whatever you want to call it. And then there's one in the back that with the impact driver, I'm not gonna be able to get to it. And there we go, four. Oops. So then we're gonna go ahead and disconnect it real quick. Just pull up on the tab and slide this little guy out. And then go ahead and kind of pinch this rubber through a little bit. So that way when you start pulling it out, it kind of comes out a little bit easier. And there we go. You can definitely tell this thing has not been taken out in a very, very long time. It's crazy, honestly. Remember, this is a 2004. So we have the new Spec D one we're gonna go ahead and put in. We have the wiring, pretty much comes with the rubber grommet as well already. And we also have the connection for the balancer. We're gonna go ahead and include right here. It comes with it again. Actually comes with a sticky, so you can go ahead and clean the side right there and just kind of put it on there. All right, guys, so I don't know if I mentioned before, but they are direct plug and play, so very simple. There we go, just gonna push them in there. And then we have the balancer. We're gonna go ahead and hook it up. There we go. So let's go ahead and pretty much test it out. So there we go, looking way better. We have them on right now, pretty much just like what it would be on if I just had the lights basically turned on. We're gonna go ahead and test out everything else. Looks a lot better. We're gonna go ahead and make sure everything's working. So do the turn signals, hazards, all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys on the tripod while I do that. So these are sequential, as you guys go ahead and see. This is the hazards. You can barely even see those. That is insane. These are like so much brighter and just better overall. Obviously, it makes the car look a lot better just with the lights alone. Man, it is crazy how much just pretty much a simple thing can really, really change up the entire appearance of the car. So again, this is what it was before, and then we have the after. We're gonna go ahead and take this one out. All right, guys, so now it's a little bit darker. We're gonna go ahead and try to unlock it or lock it pretty much. So there we go. But man, look at this truck, brand new. We just got it the other day. It is the SLT, but it has every text package pretty much and a towing package it could go with. So I went ahead and detailed it up pretty much yesterday. Put some of Meguiar's spray on ceramic coating. Those things work amazing, in all honesty. When they got it, it was only 7 miles on it, literally only 7. So never drove it pretty much, just test driving that they do when it comes out of the pretty much factory. And then got to the dealership and that was it. 7 miles only, so this thing is brand spanking new. So next day here, we got me some Dutch. Just kind of hanging out right now. We got Dre pulling up. Hopefully gonna handle some business today, but damn, that thing always looks so damn good. Whee! A big old smile. You got the bumper still broken. We got a new one at the house, so you guys saw, but got the new lights there too. Just waiting, man, honestly. Oh, it's about to get loud. All right, well, we're just coming over here to go ahead and discuss some stuff, but I just got smoke coming out of my hood right now, so we're gonna go ahead and check that out real quick. Cause damn, that was pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Fuck. Dude, I don't fucking know, bro. It looked like smoke, but now I'm starting to think maybe it was just a shitload of steam from all the fucking, you know what I mean? From all the coolant. Yeah. All right, so now we're back at the house. Unfortunately, pretty much I'm thinking it's the intercooler pump. I'm gonna go ahead and try to open it up right now. I let it cool off for a while, made it home, obviously. But yeah, I mean, honestly, the supercharger is hotter than it's ever been, and the pump and or not the pump, but the actual reservoir is really, really hot as well. So before we actually go ahead and buy a new intercooler pump, I'm gonna go ahead and troubleshoot it. The relay box, which is, trying to point the light at it, right over there. So we're gonna go ahead and pretty much try that. And if that doesn't work, we're gonna go ahead and try to check the fuse to make sure the fuse didn't burnt out. So those are pretty much the troubleshooting methods for this. So I'm trying to pick it up on camera. You go ahead and see how it's just steaming out at this point. It honestly doesn't look like it's running, so you go ahead and see it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and check this fuse real quick. Go ahead and see. It looks good. It's the third one. That's the one you want to check. All right, guys, so it's the third one, the red one right here, the 10. So we're gonna go ahead and now I'll pretty much check the relay over here. So it's this one. You gotta pull this cap off right here, and then pretty much take off the actual relay. So see if I can open this real quick. All right, guys, so I want to go ahead and pop it out real quick. And then this is the relay. So go ahead and use both your hands, keep it firm real quick, and just kind of wiggle it and pop it up. But again, use both your hands so you don't break anything. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just grab this little guy right here. This right here, pretty much anything that'll transfer the current. We gotta go from one side to the other. See how nothing's happening? This should automatically kind of turn it on, jump start it, but well, unfortunately, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Really love the new taillights. Unfortunately, new taillights, fuel pump, or fuel pump. Luckily, it's not the fuel pump. But the intercooler pump goes out. So pretty much it should have turned on by doing that. It should have jumped it. And it didn't, obviously. So we know what to order now. So stay tuned for that. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know, maybe it might be the Shelby, might be the Cobra again. We'll have to stay tuned for that. So see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.